Hey guys, welcome back to another Jimmythejudge video. Today, it's not too early, but I received my Logitech G19. I'm waiting a long way for this, long time for this keyboard. So let's go ahead and start unboxing it. Now let's move this camera down here. Now what you get let's try to get this camera in a good position here. What you get? A load of that. Pure gaming keyboard. Just go ahead and open this, just crack open the seals here. Are we ready for it? Oh, have a look at that. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. Packaging is not all overly that great. Now the keyboard just slopped in there. I guess yeah, you get your USB with the powered adapter to it. You get power, AC power there. Stuck away in the corner there. Because the keyboard is powered to power that LCD screen. I think it's 320 by 420 resolution. Very nice keyboard. Let's just see what else is in here. Your wrist rest, which I will be using. And I don't have a keyboard tray. And your drivers. I'll just go ahead and install the drivers and put the keyboard in. We'll have a side-by-side test with the old Logitech G19 Series 2 keyboard. So I'll be back with you in a moment. This is the keyboard, looking very nice. Keys do feel very nice. A bit of a rubbery feel compared to the G19. And the screen is on a swivel there. So I'll just go ahead and get this all plugged in, drivers installed. Back to you in a moment.